Oh, damn. GameStop 174 off the good news. What is going on? Tesla had two alerts here that never came down. I regret selling my Tesla. So I sold my initial position into this first bounce here. The one we're talking about. Actually, no, it was this one. Was it this one? Let's wait. These are not filled candles. There we go. It was probably one of these bounces here. And then I rebought literally at the low of 627 and I sold into this rally. I knew there was gonna be a rally by the way into close. That's the only reason I bought. But now it's pushing up to 650. AMC kind of struggling here under 38, 37.50s. Tomorrow is the meeting. Been waiting for that meeting ever since they rescheduled it. What's going on, Phoenix? Indeed, you are first. No, I was setting up. No, I wake up at the same time every day. It's just sometimes I delay to stream. I don't know what it is. To set up, and I was watching soccer too. The Olympics. AMC is pulling back 37.17. The low yesterday was 37.06. GameStop is kind of, I thought it was halted or something. You'd expect GameStop to rally with that type of news, but we're still we're still a slave to like the pattern of AMC. So the AMC comes down today. I think GameStop's gonna come down today. I think there's no question about that. I thought it was his birthday today. Honestly, I could have sworn Rob told me it was today, like literally the 28th, because I knew it wasn't on the AGM. But I guess it's Rob's birthday tomorrow. Mr. Adam Aaron has him a little present. Let's go. Ortex is showing 15%, so we actually had an increase in the SI for AMC plus 5 basis points. It's showing 15.01%. The Ortex data does not make any sense at all to me. I mean, oh, we just hit a new low, 37.02. It doesn't make any sense to me because the days where we have positive SI by like 1 to 2%, I think it was 3% on Monday, which accounted for Thursday's price action, in which we fell on Thursday. It was a red day. It doesn't make any sense. What's going on, John? We're still seeing a. Oh, we just cracked 37 here on AMC. What's what's going on, Kevin? Good morning, guys. Take a look at Nasdaq today. Oh, we're actually pulling back again. Never mind. I thought we were gonna have a green day today. So we're slightly pulling back. Does that mean Tesla's dropping? That Apple short we were talking about yesterday, the Apple short would have been a nice play. Look at this. We were at 149 and we're at 142 right now. Wouldn't that have been a great play? Now I'm debating if we should buy the dip. Buy the dip on Apple. They had spectacular earnings from their wearables to their services to the iPhone, the iPad. I got an iPad myself. I forgot the revenue numbers, but they came in once again a record-breaking double-digit growth like we saw the first quarter. Microsoft also had earnings too, and this is amid the chip shortage. But I think Microsoft actually collapsed because they didn't have any guidance for the first quarter. That's what kind of leaves you kind of investors kind of foggy. Uh, 17 billion versus wait, no. Let's go back here. It actually tells you on here. Where's it at? The EPS was 1.3. I don't, it doesn't show the revenue. Well, it was, they beat both, by the way. If it cracks under 140s, we're gonna buy the dip. SPY, look at the recovery on SPY yesterday. Even today pre-market, not bad. Tech was the one that actually took the hit. Nasdaq was the one that actually sold off aggressively. So it seems like people were taking some profits. AMC new low, I believe, 36.70. GameStop pulling back as well. Like I said, where AMC goes, GameStop follows. AMC halted? No. Ford earnings today. The last time Ford had earnings, it collapsed and then it recovered like a day after or 2 days after. And that is because of they even said themselves that they were going to struggle with the next quarter. Look at this. This was it. From like 12 all the way down to 11. And then you see what happened here. We are the 12, 30, it went all the way to 1658. Impressive. So this was Microsoft. 292 down to 276. Now we're pulling back. Damn, we're still seeing some weakness here on Nasdaq, guys. Tesla pulling back as well. Nice little bounce there on AMC, 37.18. Oh yeah, I think it's your broker, your software, Kevin, because AMC is not halted. All right, let's go on Instagram, see what's, I mean, Twitter, Instagram. Let's go on Twitter and see what's trending on there. GameStop still seeing some new lows here, but I don't think we'll see that for too long because AMC's kind of bouncing here, so we should see a bounce here on GameStop. New low, new low. Where's the bounce? Where's the bounce? Mm, nothing that catches my eye that is trending. Apart from these individuals, I'm not aware. So, all right, Piers Morgan. Some Olympics, gymnastic drama. Because that one gymnast, what's her name? Biles? Simone Biles? I think she backed out, right? You guys hear about that? It was all over. It's still all over Twitter. People are saying she's a loser because leaders don't do that to their teams. They don't bail out, but it is what it is. Bitcoin's above 40 again. It seems to me like that rumor that was created that Amazon was going to accept crypto by the end of the year literally helped and saved Bitcoin. I'm not going to lie. It came down after the rumor was declined by Amazon themselves, but it's back. It's literally back to like 40K. That bounce was nothing. I mean, that drop was nothing. It got ate up. Oh man. GameStop had a little bounce here, but we're still seeing some pressure on the downside. Doesn't make sense. Stop dropping, GameStop. Yesterday, guys, did the volume beat the day priors for like a record low volume? I know there's some Rob has to, somebody here has to keep up with the volume. Morning, Keith. AMC Cinemark National Cine Media and IMAX decline. Bitcoin is dumping. Really? Mine is showing 39.8. I must be on some delayed data or something. Let's actually check Robinhood. Let's see. 39.7. It's up $8,000 in the last week. I agree with you, Garden Gnome. Let's actually pull up Ortex for GameStonk. Let's see what they're showing. I know we don't usually pull up GameStop's data on Ortex, but let's take a look. It doesn't hurt. 13.99. So it's actually a 1% increase. Barred shares 89,000, return shares 1,000. Let's actually take a look at Mr. Branson. How are they doing today? New high 31, still above 30, nice. Oh man. Tesla's actually doing fairly well compared to like Apple and Nasdaq. Tesla's actually holding up pretty decently today. I don't want to jinx it because it can easily just flip and just come down. But on days like today, you usually see Tesla's the one that's actually like the worst out of like all the tech, like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Netflix. Let's see. Apple might crack here. Might hit our alerts. Is it gonna crack? SPY still sinking. We're still seeing some selling pressure. Ouch! Look at that Nasdaq dump, man. You guys remember yesterday how we were kind of dipping here like 15, 20 minutes, like literally 24 hours ago. And I said, I don't know. It could usually be a rug pull on later on, like throughout the day. That's the scary part about buying the dip. You don't know if you're buying literally at the top. And this was the same scenario here. Look at this. Like, we didn't know if this was the bottom. It turned out to be all the way down here. Literally, what, 10, 15 a.m.? Like, what, 2 hours after? 3 hours after? We just don't know. Same scenario here. This could be the bottom. GameStop, new low. Does that mean AMC is dropping? Slightly, yes. 36. That's why you have to watch the position size because you don't want to size in too big and then it's a bloodbath and you get wrecked. And now you're really holding a bag and waiting and just praying the stock goes up. Morning, John. All right, we're going in with 75 shares on SPY. Let's see if this bounces here. Trying to get out real quick too. Because today could end up like like yesterday, where this just completely tanks and continues on to sink. And that turns out to be the case. We'll just sell it. What is it, 438.20? Set on alert, go back to AMC. Let's go back to AMC. What are we seeing? Some support right around 36.70. Tesla just came down. Uh-oh. NASDAQ. There's still some pressure there, guys, even for GameStop too. Just came off the new low at 170. Probably gonna test 34. I think Saxo, I think you yourself mentioned 34 or 32. SPY is at or above. All right, we're seeing a SPY bounce. Nice. All right, screw it. Sell SPY. All right, let's buy back on the dip. Next time we'll probably size in with like 150 shares of SPY. So we're just kind of testing. I mean, yesterday, what happened? How did we see a bounce here yesterday? No, yesterday we went from 440 down to 438. Yeah, we did have a bounce here as well. That's one thing about SPY that I'm noticing. There seems to be some pretty consistent bounces. So if you're day trading, swing trading, wouldn't be too bad. GameStop 169 for the low. What a number. Tesla, boring. AMC, let's catch you on the dip. Wait for you to come down. Heat map check. I don't think it's updated. Oh, we have the Fed today. I forgot. We have Mr. Powell today, guys. Yeah, we did bounce off AMC off the 30s. It was like 30, 31. They borrowed 200,000 shares on AMC, GameStop. This damn stupid YouTube changes the chat. They borrowed 200,000 shares this morning on GameStop. No surprise it's happening. What did Ortex say? 100K? Let's see. Borrowed shares according to Ortex is 89K, but again, this is T plus 2. But I really don't know why it says changes from Wednesday 7 a.m. Eastern. Why is it T plus 2 and then it says changes from today? That is false. That is lying to people. Yeah, get ready for Powell later. Get ready for the Fed. Let's go to earningswhisper.com. Let's see what earnings we have today. AMC just hit a new low. It's still dropping. New low 36.40. Like I literally don't know where the other support levels are at. I would say 34.50, 35 is the next level we can pull back to. I mean, yesterday, I'm gonna be honest, AMC held up pretty darn well. Let's buy 75 shares of AMC. Did we get filled? Yes, we did. 36. It still pulls back. 36.23. Let's just play the bounce here. Bounce, baby, bounce. Stop falling. Yeah, it held up pretty well compared to what happened in the overall indices and the overall tech stocks. It didn't do too bad. Uh-oh, good thing we sold SPY because I think we're still dropping. Yep, we're still kind of pushing down. There's still some pressure on the way down. Hmm. Come on, AMC. We need to bounce, baby. We need to bounce. Back to earnings whisper. See what kind of earnings we have today. What is it to? Today's the 28th? They haven't updated it. What are we on? 36.23. They haven't updated it. New low. Damn, there's some pressure here, guys. It's trying to hold 36. Nice. We need a stronger bounce than this for sure. 5-minute EMA is at 37. This can turn out to be like SPY yesterday, I'm not gonna lie. Where it just completely just falls under 36. Worst case scenario. I'm gonna start flipping tomorrow since I'm watching Bitcoin get manipulated between 32 and 40. It's insane the rips Bitcoin has been having. Even on the downside, the dips. They're aggressive. There's some volatility there. But yeah, if you're noticing patterns on a stock, it or I think it's gonna fall. Let's buy more. If you're noticing patterns on the stock and you're like, damn, I would have bought there, I would have sold here, then go for it. If you have the capital and just do it. There's nothing wrong with that. 25 and 60. I wouldn't even be surprised if Bitcoin hits 50K in like the next 2 weeks. You don't know. All right, there's a rip, but it's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for 36.50s. Come on. Is that too much to ask for? There we go. We got hit 44. Oh, 47. Let's get out of here. We're out of AMC. All right, we're gonna buy back on the dip, but this time we might go a little bit more aggressive. We're seeing some bounces here. That's nice to see. 53 is that EMA? No, right? I think we're way under EMA on the 5. Yup, we're at 37 on the EMA. We still have some cushion to bounce here, but we're playing it a little bit safe. I don't trust these indices, man. Let's go to out or below. Go to SPY. SPY still not looking solid. Still finding support, but let's set on alerts. The Big Apple was at 143. Not bad. Yeah, if you guys like, I don't understand like what if I know Rob mentioned that with GameStop as well. Like you play out the scenarios in your head too. Sometimes you're like, I would have bought here, I would have sold here, I would have made this much money, then I would have bought the dip again, and then that's your gut telling you. I'd listen to that. Oh, Rob says no. He says Bitcoin getting dumped down to 32, 34 range again this week. Let's see what kind of rumor they make up this time. I cannot stand the Bitcoin bulls on Twitter. I cannot. Microsoft turns negative after opening higher. CNBC pump didn't work. Yep, we're in the red now. Down 0.5% on Microsoft. That's what you get, Microsoft stock, for not activating my windows. That's what they get. Yeah, Rob mentioned Boeing yesterday, BA. It's up 5% today, $12. Look at the earnings. You did mention that. AMC not looking too bad. We're testing resistance here at 36.50s. Is it going to get rejected? Come on down for new lows? Or is this the bounce? Is this the low of the day? We're only down 4%. Not too bad. Let's go to Ortex really quick. Refresh Ortex. SI increased like 6 basis points. We're at 15.09%. SI is enough for AMC. 715,000 borrowed shares. and 157,000 return shares. Of course, we still have our little AMC and GameStop mug. mm, just do the opposite of what Kramer says. Let's go to Jim Cramer's Twitter. Let's see what he's saying. If he's saying go long on Apple, we're gonna short Apple. All right, we're seeing what we just said on AMC. We're getting rejected here at the EMA. Looks like we're going down for the lows here at 36.17. Find some support there, because I'd rather find support here than come down to 34. But from the looks of it, we still kind of have like this higher low trend here off the lows of 30. So we're not too bad. We just need a bounce. We need a bounce to like 38 today. That's what we need. Tilray, I forgot about Tilray. Where did I see Tilray? I think I saw that on the billboard here in LA. I was like, wait a minute, I know that stock. Ooh, what? Oh, it had earnings, that's why. 16 bucks. Does that mean all those stocks are going up? You know what I mean? OCGN was another one? Or am I? Oh, no, 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 no. Hexo was one. Obviously, the legend. Oh, Hexo's up 8%, 9%. The legendary sundial's up. Oh, we're seeing a massive rip in that sector. Aurora cannabis. Oop, shouldn't have said that. YouTube's a little sensitive when it comes to that. ACB. What's another one, guys? There's a lot of them. Uh, uh no. Afria merged with Tilray, if I'm not mistaken, right? Damn. You know, Wall Street Bets is definitely going to be talking about this today because that's exactly where this pump generated back in February. I'm glad I sold my sundial. I sold at 4. I don't think sundial will ever see 4 again. Or did it hit 4? Where did I sell it at? 3 something then. It never hit 4. On the way down when it got halted. It was like right before a halt. Like right here, literally. I think I 4 or 3 I forgot. I have to look back through my logs. I don't think you'll ever see 4 again. Unless Wall Street Bets coordinates like this massive pump, then I don't know. GC, yeah, CGC was another one. There's a lot of them. That's another one. Canopy. He was saying go long on treasuries. He's talking about UPS. Massive Nasdaq selling this morning. He's right about that. If you sell Microsoft, Apple, Starbucks, Google, or AMD tomorrow, are you selling it because you fear Delta? Ask, is that right? If you say yes, by all means go. Let's see. What else are we talking about? Facebook. What are those GameStop tweets, Kramer? He hasn't tweeted anything. His last tweet was about AMC. Beautiful move in AMC, July 26th. That's it. There's no big updates on Twitter. Hmm. Blue Lives Matter is trending on Twitter. He is tweeting about NASDAQ. So now it's doing the opposite of what he tweeted. There was a sell up and now we're bouncing and we're back in the green on NASDAQ. Can you believe that? How about the Dow? The Dow is still red. SPY's barely red too. But we're finally finding some support here on SPY. AMC as well. Still holding 36. Nice. I think we should be due for a bounce here. Tesla 644. So it seems like some of these stocks that pulled back are finding some support and bouncing off the lows. Here we go. 36.70 on AMC. Am I still watching Emrin? No. You mentioned a while back being interested if it fell under 778. Oh. Upcoming earnings and the stock is coming down off the highs of 27. Is this a Wall Street bet stock? Possible short squeeze. What? Company has possible short squeezes. Look at Vortex on this. I'm interested. Is this the one with the highest high? No, it only has 12%. Short interest change plus 19%. Borrowed shares 500,000. Return to a quarter million. I mean, but there's no volume on this, man. There's no demand. Look at this. It's very low volume. He tweeted it before, Rob. Oh man, literally the opposite of what he says. I can't make this up. He tweeted here at 6:44 a.m. Look, right here. On this red candle, he tweeted massive Nasdaq selling this AM. I kid you not. This is look at this. I'll pull this up. 6:44 a.m. Massive Nasdaq selling this morning. Right here. And now we're literally bounced and ripped green. I can't make this up. We literally have to do the opposite of what Kramer says. I cannot. You guys, oh my gosh. AMC 3679, nice bounce here. I think we're testing 5 EMA. We're so close, 37. I didn't think we were going to bounce this aggressively. I thought like 3650s. I got my limit buy set at 170 for GameStop. We're slightly under 170. Let's see. England to allow fully vaccinated travelers from US to arrive without quarantine from August 2nd. GameStop new law 167. Boeing CEO says bigger tensions with China are going to be what they are going to be. I remain optimistic. From a CNBC interview. I'm pretty sure Rob saw that. 166 GME. What is going on here? Why is AMC bouncing and GameStop's not? Hmm. Oh, you're gonna buy on the way back up. Nice. I thought you were dip buying it. McDonald's shares down 1.3%. What's going on with McDonald's? I think they had earnings too. Yep. About 70% of dining rooms are open in the US. Expected to be nearly 100% by Labor Day. They actually beat. 247 was the 52-week high. So we're only down like $7 off the highs. Does anybody have McDonald's stock? We're still seeing some pullbacks here. Healthy pullbacks, I would say. 36.50. That's where I initially wanted this to hold. 36.50s. Because if it comes down under 36, man, are we probably there's a big chance we could see like 35, 34. You guys know how ugly it can get on AMC. The sell-off could get really, really intense. BlackBerry, yeah, BlackBerry should be in coherence. Oh wow, earnings or what? Literally shocked right now. I don't think I've ever seen BlackBerry do the opposite of GameStop and AMC. Holy smacks. Bam called a yeah. I think he did call a huge run. Let's give him credit. I think he did call a run on this. This is impressive. I thought we would be like in coherence with the meme stocks, but no. Hmm. Let's check BlackBerry on Ortex. Yeah, but I remember he did speak about BlackBerry. You're right about that. Gotta give credit where it's due. Mr. What's his Twitter? Bam Investor? Oh yeah, it is Bam Investor. BlackBerry showing 7% SI. Maybe the Gamma or something? Let's go to Yahoo. Yahoo Finance. GameStop new low. AMC volume is 11.6 million. Boeing is trending on Yahoo Pfizer, Microsoft, Apple, and McDonald's. Damn, there's still pressure here, guys. On AMC, we're about to hit a new low. GameStop volume is at 800K. So I think we're seeing some more volume compared to other days. It just got ugly here. Alright, let's size back in. Time to buy more AMC. Are you gonna bounce or what? Missed it by like a split second. Let's be patient. Uh-oh, BlackBerry keeps on going up 9.5%, 1086 on the high. Can we hit 11? This is impressive. This is where the FOMO starts. Volume is 4 million on BlackBerry. Today's Wednesday. There's a decent amount of call options stacked at 11. So those are about to go in the money. 11, 11.50, 12, and after that it starts diminishing. Where else? Where else? That's pretty much it. 100 plus move on BlackBerry that you're expecting or Bam's expecting? He tweeted 18 hours ago, get ready on BlackBerry. This guy called it. 17 hours ago, he tweeted, I never said BlackBerry was end of August. Where I come from, get ready doesn't mean get ready and wait 4 weeks. Looks to me like it's ready to take off this week. I guess we'll know soon. Wow. Somebody replied, oh snap, what about AMC? AMC and GameStop is the only play, the rest of the distraction. This guy said BlackBerry can't rip independently from AMC and GameStop. They are connected at this point. That's exactly what I thought, but I guess no. Look at this. 93, 94. Interesting. AMC is testing the support here at 36. The last level of support here was on Friday, guys, at 34.69. So where are we going to catch ourselves? Hopefully 36. Some walls up at 11 on BlackBerry? Possibly. Let's set an alert. I'm curious to see if this breaks throughout the day. Or maybe the next couple minutes. Who knows? FOMO is a real thing. FOMO is legit. AMC testing 36 support. You guys think it holds or it cracks? I don't know, Nathan. BlackBerry's just running. I didn't see any news on here. It says unusual options activity. And that's yesterday too. There's no news today according to Thinkorswim. This might be somewhat of my best guess like a small gamma squeeze. Really. We're holding 36 on AMC. Not bad. Let's go back to Tesla. Forgot about Tesla. All right, nice bounce there. Nasdaq went literally green after Kramer said it's selling off. Apple still down 1.5%. SPY still down here. I'm not convinced yet on SPY. We saw a stronger bounce on Nasdaq than we're seeing here on SPY. Complete opposite of yesterday. SPY held really well compared to Nasdaq. Today it's opposite day or something. Opposite day. Dow still sinking. I'd be interested to catch a dip on SPY, but not yet. AMC holding 36. Nice. Heat map check. Fairly mixed. I'm gonna close all my other positions and YOLO on BlackBerry. I have a feeling it'll break 11. But there's nothing sustaining this stock other than just people buying and options and FOMO. And be careful. Be very careful. I wonder what Wall Street Bets is saying about that stock. See what people are saying on Twitter. Possibly some news I'm not paying attention to that I'm missing. BlackBerry. Smells like something's burning. I wonder what Bam says about BlackBerry throughout the day. Does he say there will be a continuation or is this over? There is some resistance here actually. Right under 10. 89. Is it my computer? No, it smells. I've smelled this before. It smells like tires or something. 75K wall. Yeah, there's a look at the wall here. There's a wall at 89 on BlackBerry. Is it gonna take it out? I don't know. We hit 94. I think Kramer's attacking us. Yeah, we were making fun of Jim Cramer. He's like, "We're gonna attack your PC, man. We're gonna hack you again, just like we did to your crypto wallet." Oh man, it's getting rejected. It's coming down. They didn't break the wall. AMC, we're still laddering down, guys. You guys see the pattern? I think we saw this yesterday. To be honest, we saw this descending triangle. Yep, all morning. Look at this massive downtrend. We're still seeing that now. Let's go to Ortex. Give you a little update on Ortex. I kid you not. It's probably something on fire. 15.08. So half a percent increase for AMC this morning. Your shares about the fan. I don't think it's a computer burning. It's cold. The PC is cold. Or does that even matter? It smells like, have you ever smelled when someone burns their hair? How weird and odd it smells? I know that's crazy to say. It sounds weird, but it smells like that, like someone burnt their hair off or something. Uh, are you looking at Stonko tracker for the borrowed shares for GameStop? Let's pull that up really quick because for GameStop, Ortex is showing borrowed shares for GameStop. It's loading, it's loading. 89. 89K. Nice. AMC. Tesla just went green. Look at that V bounce. I'll still set an alert just in case it comes down later. I think this might be the support level for today, guys. 36. I'm gonna set an alert just in case. Go back to AMC on Vortex. What is everybody else saying on AMC, guys? Like the YouTubers and stuff. Do you guys know? What is their stance on the AMC movements lately? I follow Trey, but I don't think he's tweeted. Oh, he actually did tweet. If you like the stock, make sure you vote for the AMC proxy statement sent to your email associated with your brokerage. This is like a different language. Gosamit. I don't know what is this? What does this mean? Let's look this up. Oh, it's thank you in Japanese. They were saying AMC 1 quadrillion. Good morning, you beautiful apes. Short interest loans going up. He put 15%. That's right. 15.08% via Ortex. Each rip is followed by higher lows. Trade. Each rip is followed by higher lows. That's right. We did mention that, by the way. We go on the 4 hour. Higher lows is this. It's exactly what we mentioned. He's right about that too. The trend is still holding here. So I'm expecting a rip to $40. If the higher we get off this trend line, the safer the stock is, because it cracks 36, 35, 34, 33. It's gonna get ugly. It's gonna get ugly. So we still have a trend. Filings are coming out addressing the problems apes have been talking about for months and months. I know nothing about that, however. Nice rip here, 36.60s. I'd really hate to see this crack 36 today. What is GameStop at? 165. President Biden will require federal workers to get the vaccine or submit to testing. BlackBerry holding 1080, not bad. I knew it. Oh my god, Spy had a red candle. I don't trust Spy. Spy's the lagging today. Don't that lagging SPX. A laggard. Yes, indeed. I think Spy might come down today. And AMC's about to rip. Testing 5-minute EMA once again. So that's gonna be my strategy for today. It's gonna be, if by any chance AMC comes down under 36, you best believe I'm gonna be buying. Tesla, I think it didn't leave me an opportunity today like it did yesterday, but I don't know. It comes down to 640. I'm interested. Spy, I'm keeping a close eye on, because the bounce did not convince me for some reason. And good thing I trusted the gut, because look at this, coming back down to 438. There's a chance for this to close red today, so I'm definitely interested on Spy. The bounces here are very consistent, by the way. I like that. So that's what I'd be trading today. I don't know about BlackBerry, to be honest. I don't think I'll buy on this one. It's fun to watch, but man, it's up 9%. Just looking at the history of this chart, look, it comes from nothing too. It's just dead. I really don't know why this went up today. I'm really lost, to be honest. That BAM investor too really got me thinking, like, what did he know that we don't know? My best bet is the options, the gamma squeeze. I don't know. Small gamma squeeze. Trust the BAM. He hasn't tweeted in 19 hours, so pretty sure he's watching this laughing. But I wouldn't trade this. I mean, I think at this point I'm chasing. It got news today and yesterday. I didn't see. What's the news, man? It's not on here. All you see is bounces, early track to snap loss streak on an upbeat meme stocks, options chain. He was in on the pump and dump, possibly. They bought a boatload of the stock, and it just caused People to FOMO. My best bet. Come on down, Spy. So we're gonna end it here. If you guys enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate if you leave a like on the video. It helps out tremendously with the channel. Subscribe if you are new. If you find any value in these live streams, I'll have a video out for you guys later on in the evening. Those are the plays that I'm making and I'm watching for. Come on down, Spy. I'm gonna plug in the free Discord, by the way. I'll keep you guys updated for the Ortex short interest for AMC on there. One last refresh. Still showing 15%. So it's up from the percentage of 14 yesterday. With that being said, hopefully you guys have an amazing rest of your morning. I will see you guys later on for a new video.